Look at that.
Might be the biggest piece of flagstone I've ever seen in my life. I don't think we're picking that bad boy up. It's absolutely bitter cold outside today, but had to stop by because I figured this cold. Nobody's gonna be outside working. Oh, got walkway and the steps and the landscape lighting all almost wrapped up. Lighting all the way over there. A lot of the landscaping's getting wrapped up. Still got some work to do on the fire pit patio. And these walkways, the water feature, and then gotta get all that stuff mulched around there. Walkway going in here, some natural stone steps, flagstone patio with the fire pit. Still obviously some work to do on that. Got the nice little butt rock right here, seating for there. Come up, we got walkway coming down in here with natural stone steps leading down to the basement. Boulder work on the side. It's way too muddy, so I'm not walking over there today, but this thing is looking sweet. Checking up on the progress. Let's see, we got stone wall over there. I think I showed you that before. Making some progress coming up here with the steps in the walkway.
Oh man, that thing is big, Jay. What is that thing? Oh my God, look at that. Oh,
that is a mighty big piece of flagstone.
Oh my God.
Think I can lift that? Flagstone patio is pretty much wrapped up. Still some work to do on the fire pit there. More walkway coming up and over into here. Water feature over there. So as you can see, still some mulching to do. A lot of work to be done on this project in general. Saw's cutting me off, so I have to start over again. Almost forgot. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more.